Hello everyone, I'm Jerry. In laser equipment, pre-commissioning accounts for 1/3 of its key performance, and today, I'm going to break it down for you in detail. Pre-commissioning of laser cutting equipment is particularly crucial. If not adjusted correctly, the precision of the equipment will definitely be affected later. Therefore, the guide rails and racks on the machine bed are the key parts of the machine tools commissioning. First of all, light screws themselves are not very suitable for laser cutting machines. If installed in the middle of the machine, they can easily be damaged by the laser. Additionally, the work table of a cutting machine is generally quite large. Using an overly long lead screw will cause runout, which directly reduces precision. However, rack and pinion drives can be extended infinitely. When paired with a servo motor, the meshing is stable and accurate, perfectly meeting the requirements of laser cutting. Next, let's talk about gears. Laser cutting machines basically use helical gears. The core difference from spur gears lies in their operating state. Spur gears engage with the entire tooth width, making contact and separating simultaneously like a hard collision, resulting in high impact, loud noise, and gradual error accumulation that leads to increasingly unstable machine operation. In contrast, helical gears have a spiral tooth profile. During meshing, they make progressive contact with multiple pairs of teeth sharing the load simultaneously, featuring low impact, low noise, better load-bearing capacity, and higher transmission precision, which perfectly meets the requirements of laser cutting.